Okay, so now that everybody is familiar with your section, I'm going to divide you again, and 2 people from each group are going to go to another group. So, would the back row, would you all please stand up? Everyone in the back, stand up, and have your notes with you. Make sure your notes are with you. I'd like for you 2 ladies to move to these 2 chairs, and for you 2 ladies to move to these 2 chairs. Okay, so now we have experts from each half of the article in every group. So 2 of you know one part of the article, and the other 2 of you know the other part of the article. I would like for you to share what you know about your half, and then, once you have done that, I would like for you to write a main idea sentence. Okay? So what I mean by this is one person is going to write what your group believes is the main idea of this article based on what you have read. And for this activity, I need to assign roles, of course, right? And there are 4 roles, so there will be 1 for each person in the group. The first role is the speaker. The second role is the recorder. The third role is the timekeeper. And the fourth role is the monitor. The speaker's job is to share your ideas. The recorder's job is to write down your main idea sentence. The timekeeper's job is to watch the clock and to make sure that everyone is on task. And the monitor's job is to make sure that everybody is speaking English. So right now, before we begin, I would like you to choose your roles. And then you may begin.
So in our part, first of all, starts with the description of a crime. There was a murder. A woman was killed.
So for some period of time, for example, such states are Florida, California.
Executed because in such cases as you have mentioned, probably too young and English. Teenagers kill women.
Being killed, like a punishment, it would be a good argument not to commit a crime.
Yes.
Not as a punishment itself, but as a, so to say, something.
And the history.
We can, I know.
We have this key sentence, yes.
Where's the monitor? Who's the monitor?
Speak English.
Right? Yes.
We have your main ideas on the board here. They're actually quite different from each other, I've noticed. What I would like now is for each speaker to read yours aloud, and then I would like for each group to evaluate the other group's main idea. Okay? So the speaker for this one, the first one, would you read yours aloud?
Yes, the United States of America, life without parole would achieve the same goals as the death penalty.
Okay, so second group, what do you think about that main idea?
Why do we need a question mark there?
It's a question.
It's one of the ideas of this article, but there are some more points in it. So I think it's one of the parts. Yes, it's just one of the points.
So this is in the article, you say, but this is not necessarily the main idea of the article?
No, it's one of the main
One of the main
ideas.
ideas.
Yes, but there are some more ideas which
Some
should
more
be
important
included.
things.
What do you guys say to that? Would you agree or disagree with them?
I personally agree, for example. Sorry.
That's okay. You agree or disagree?
I agree, and there's one more main idea. I think that the death penalty, should it exist or not?
Mm-hmm.
So.
Mm-hmm.
And I have also
my saying. I think that yes, there are some other ideas. The article is quite longish, and but we were thinking over it for a couple of minutes, and we decided to pick up only one sentence, which was of a main importance to us, and we have chosen this one.
What do you guys think about that? Is that a worthwhile argument?
An argument,
Okay, that's good. I think it's just fine. I think it's just fine. You know, it depends on why you're writing the main idea, and sometimes it's difficult to choose exactly what to include, what not to include, and maybe sometimes it's easier just to pick something more general. Okay, so the speaker for group number 2. Would you read yours?
Okay. Death penalty is very controversial as far as moral questions are concerned, and there is a possibility that innocent people may be killed. It seems that death penalty isn't the way to stop violence, and imprisonment without parole may achieve the same goal.
Okay, this group, what do you guys think about their main idea? Yes, ma'am.
Well, I think that it is more, how to say it, full than our main sentence, but I think that you said that it should be done in one sentence only, but there are 2 sentences.
Well, they asked if they could do 2 sentences, and I said it's okay. So that's all right. It's my fault. Are there any other problems that you see, or do you like it?
Yes, well, I like it.
Other members of the group?
Well, I think it was clever of girls to try to write such a long passage. But I think sometimes it's a good idea when you want to give sort of a key sentence to make it a bit shorter.
What do you guys say to that? Is it possible that your main idea is too long, or not?
It happens, but we actually understood the task as to give the subject in a nutshell to the person who has not read the article. And that's why we've done it a bit more general and long.
What do you think about that argument? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I accept.
Great. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. All right, Natasha, you can.